Sports Authority of India invites application for the post of strength and conditioning expert and physiotherapy on contract basis. Here, the Sports Authority of India announced vacancy for the post of the physiotherapist. Total number of vacancy for the post of the physiotherapist are 47. Here the specific requirements is there. After that they shortlist the candidates for the interview. Here the education qualification required for the post is Master in Physiotherapy from any recognized Indian or foreign university. The total work of experience, minimum 3 years of work experience is required as a physiotherapist. Then the criteria for shortlisting of candidate for the interview. After this, they shortlist the candidate for the interview. So, for the total work experience as the post of a physiotherapist, they give the points out of 20. Means here 2 marks for every completed 1 year of work experience as the post of the physiotherapist. Means you get 2 marks for completing 1 year as a physiotherapist work experience. Then work experience in the sports field, so you get the 3 marks will be awarded for every completed 1 year. Okay, it is maximum here you gain is 30 marks. Then your mark obtained in the master's degree. Okay, here your percentage of the marks in your master degree will required and you get maximum 20 marks. Then your specialization, you have your master degree in sports science, so you get 30 marks. If you having your master degree in musculoskeletal science, so you get 15 marks. If you have your master degree in orthopedics, so you get 15 marks, or you have master degree in health and promotion in disability rehabilitation, so you get 50 marks. So here maximum you get 30 marks. Now shortlist candidate called for the interview, or the what are the categories for the evaluation in the interview process. So here the domain expertise you get the maximum 30 marks. For your practical knowledge you get maximum 30 marks. The aptitude for the working in a sports organization, it gives out of 10 marks. Knowledge related to research advancement in the relevant discipline, you get maximum 10 marks. For the soft skills you get 10 marks, and the knowledge in the allied sports science discipline, maximum you get the 10 marks. So these all are the category for the evaluation at the interview time or the interview process. Now the documents required for the post of the physiotherapy. So degree and mark sheets are required. Master degree, your work experience certificate is required, and the other documents like your Aadhaar card, class mark sheet of 12th, your recent passport size color photograph, and NOC is required. Now the age limit. Here the maximum age shall not be more than 45 years on the last date of the recipient of the application. So the age shall not be more than 45 years. Here the remuneration is for the physiotherapist, there are 2 posts, grade 1 and grade 2. The remuneration for the grade 1 is 40 to 60,000 and for grade 2 60 to 80,000. Now how will you apply for this post? So candidate has to apply only online through the link sportsauthority-of-india.nic.in. So this is the website of SAI, Sports Authority of India, where you can apply online for this post. Okay, application received through any other mode would not be accepted. So you have to apply only online in this website sportsauthority-of-india.nic.in. And the date of closing the online registration, or the last date for the online registration, is 21st October 2020. And below this application you get the responsibility for this post. First is the planning and development of the physiotherapy protocols, then maintain the records, management of hydrotherapy, sauna, bath and other facilities available in the center, injury management in the field. So these all are the duty for the post of the physiotherapist. And below this PDF you get the application form, okay, online application form. Fill this form and apply for this post. So how will you apply for this post? You have to visit this website, sportsauthority.of.india.nic.in.